Hello and welcome back to the Isel&Mark Ventures. So ngayon, i-unbox natin si Nendoroid Ellie from The Last of Us Part 2. Ito yung nakuha namin sa Mainstream Manila Mystery Box Nendoroid version. So, link down below para sa reveal kung ano yung sa pag-unbox namin together with our first Q&A video. So, let's get unboxing. So, si Nendoroid Ellie or si Ellie ay from the game na The Last of Us. At makikita nyo na meron na siyang sequel na The Last of Us Part 2, which you can see, ito na yung itsura niya dun sa sequel ng game na yun. Okay, ito yung meron sa front ng box, sa bottom, tapos sa right niya, the back, on the other side, saka yung top. Okay, so I already cut the flap at the bottom, so let's open it up. There we go. Okay, syempre at the bottom, yung manual that comes with her, stating her parts in two languages, English and Japanese. Okay. So inside, ito na yung pinakahihintay. So it has two compartments, one with the plastic clamshell and the plastic wrap. Dito sa plastic wrap, kasama yung extra neck joint, stand and the base. Remove the knife. Okay, so open na natin. Makikita natin, ito yung mga accessories na meron siya. Holding the arrow, tapos extra hands, feet and legs, the bow, a hand holding a brick, machete, si Ellie, saka another extra faceplate. Okay, so with all Nendoroids, meron siyang kasama na mga plastic para mag-avoid ng paint transfer sa loob ng clamshell. There we go. Here's the next faceplate. Her extra arms. So one good detail about Ellie is the tattoo that she has. Sobrang ganda ng details. Kuhang-kuha rin yung bracelet na meron siya. So, the bow and the arrow. So, naka-built-in na yung arrow dito sa kamay niya. Then here's the next, her hand holding a brick, tapos two extra legs na bent yung knees. the machete, and lastly the pistol. Okay, so that's Nendoroid Ellie, and for the price na nakuha ko siya, sobrang sulit niya. Ganda rin ng details ng mismong Nendoroid. As always, napaganda ng quality ng Goodsmile company products. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!